Good luck, guys. Contenders football. 4 boxes. Base. Number 299, Carlos Hyde, the 49ers. Carlos Hyde, 99. Sticker auto, the Cleveland Browns, you've got Rashad Higgins. Browns, Rashad Higgins. Base. Got a vertical 99, or horizontal 99 for the Cincinnati Bengals, Kavari Russell. Says he's with the Bengals now. Kavari Russell to 99. Base. Or base. Or base. More base. Base. More base. Or base. Base. More base. More base. Got Dallas Cowboys at Darius Jackson. Darius Jackson. Base. Or base. Or base. Base, Andrew Legendary, numbered at 10, Lawrence Taylor. Numbered at 10, Lawrence Taylor. Base. On card, horizontal, Ravens, Keenan Reynolds. Ravens, Keenan Reynolds. Base. Base cards flying everywhere. Base. Or base. Championship ticket on card to 99, Ravens, Chris Moore. Keenan or Chris Moore? Base. Last pack, box 1. Got a 1 of 1 for the Indianapolis Colts, Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning, 101. Base finishing out box 1. Finishing out box 1. Box number 2. Box 2. Base. Or base. More base. More base. More base. Base. Dallas Cowboys, Darius Jackson. Dallas Cowboys, Darius Jackson. Base. More base. Got number 2, 249, Jay Cutler for the Bears. Base. Got an on-card horizontal Jets, Christian Hackenberg. Jets, Christian Hackenberg. Base. Got sticker for the Oakland Raiders, Jalen Richard. Raiders, Jalen Richard. Base. More base. Base. Number 249 for the Rams, you got Chase Reynolds. 49 for the Rams, Chase Reynolds. Base. More base. More base. More base. More base. Sticker for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Peyton Barber. Peyton Barber for the Bucks. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Last pack, box 2. Or base. Like that. Black, box number 3, box 3. Base. More base. Base. More base. 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 More base. Base. More base. On card, Green Bay Packers, Trevor Davis. Green Bay, Trevor Davis. Base. More base. More base. More base. Base. More base. More base. Sticker for the Redskins, Kendall Fuller. Kendall Fuller for the Skins. Base. Base. Redemption. Base. Got a draft class auto platinum. Draft class platinum. Ezekiel Elliott. Draft class platinum. I'm gonna look see where that is. Hold on. Let's go see what the platinums are number 2. Let's see here. There we go. Let's go checklist. Control F. Draft class. Draft class platinum. So that'd be a 101 Ezekiel Elliott. 101 Ezekiel Elliott. Draft class platinum. 101 Ezekiel Elliott. Nothing wrong with that. Got a Bucks, Connor Barth. Bucks, Connor Barth. Base. More base with Cam Newton up there. That's pretty solid. You've got a Peyton Manning 101 legendary auto and Ezekiel Elliott 101 auto. Nothing wrong with 4 boxes tonight, my gosh. Got a Giants, Roger Lewis. Roger Lewis for the Giants. Base. Last pack, box 3. 4 base. And box number 4, box 4. Finishing out contenders tonight, box 4. Base. More base. More base. Sticker for the Dallas Cowboys, Malik Collins. Cowboys, Malik Collins. This has been a solid 4 boxes. Malik Collins for the Cowboys. Base. Base. Got number 249, Julio Jones for the Falcons. 249, Julio Jones for the Falcons. Four base. On card for the Giants, Paul Perkins. Giants on card, Paul Perkins. Base. More base. More base. More base. Got a Buffalo Bill, Kevon Seymour. Bills, Kevon Seymour. Base. Green Bay, Kyle Fackrell. Kyle Fackrell. Green Bay Packers. Or base. Going to the New England Patriots, Glenn Gronkowski. Now with the Patriots, Glenn Gronkowski. Base. More base. Number 299, DeMarco Murray and Derrick Henry, Tennessee. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Got for the Jets, 199, Jordan Jenkins. Jets, 199, Jordan Jenkins. Base. Or base. Or base. Last pack contenders tonight. All base. Finishing out contenders football tonight. So we will hop off. We'll get this stuff on YouTube. We'll get it over to the post office. And then we will see you guys tomorrow night. Tomorrow night we've got some bench warmers. And we will have some more contenders football. So we'll hop off. We'll see you guys later.